This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only. What all does the world of work include? Option D, all of the above. A career is not based on which of the following. Option C, home address. What are the benefits of planning your career path? Option D, all of the above. To know which career pathway is best suited for you, try to align your option D, all of the above. An important document to carry when attending an interview is option B, resume. A is a summary of your personal experience, skill, and education history. Option C, resume. If you consider yourself as the product, then your resume is your dash. Option B, advertisement. The crucial step that all face while starting their career is option B, facing an interview. Dash is a process where an employer and employee exchange their views, understand each other, and find out if the correct candidate is placed in the right company for the right job. Option B, interview. Identify the questions asked in an interview. Option D, all of the above. Interviews can be option D, all of the above. Online job search has become very popular because of option B, the internet. An impressive resume. Option C, increase your chances of getting a job. An online resume is a digital version of option D, all of the above. Most interviews has the questions, tell me about yourself. Why? Option B, the interviewer expect a short and quick introduction of the candidate. When one starts looking for the job, the first step is to option B, apply for all the jobs. If an interview is scheduled at 10 a.m. in the morning, it is better to reach the venue at option C 10:30 a.m. As part of grooming, which of the following are essential for attending interviews? Option D formal clothes. Which of these are not an entry level job after ITI for interior designers? Option C specialist. Which are some of the preferred skills for an interior designer? Option D all of the above. Which are not same of the technical skills required for a fashion designer? Option C tally. What are the benefits of planning your career path? Option B you can make decisions faster. What are the different sources of information to understand a career? Option D all of the above. Which of the following websites are not popular for finding jobs? Option D Instagram. Naukri.com, timesjobs.com are examples of option B online job portals. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel ITI MCQ Guru. Like, share and comment.